The highlights of today's defense news. Defense Secretary led Indian delegation to attend SCO Defence Ministers meeting in Kazakhstan. L&T manufactures Mammoth Hydrotreating Reactor for Mexican Refinery giant. Indian Air Force gears up for swarm warfare, Alfa-S drones. Indian startup developing SpaceX-Like Reusable rockets in Tamil Nadu. Indian Army ramps up indigenous ammunition production, eyes technological advancements. Bellatrix and Arianespace to develop a powerful engine for deep space exploration. SIA-India and ISAC forge alliance to strengthen space cybersecurity standards. India-Japan consultations on disarmament, non-proliferation and export control. LRDE and HAL Kanpur has intended to enter into an agreement for the integration of X-band radar of HISAR on Dornier aircraft. Collins Aerospace looks at higher sourcing of components from India. Lockheed Martin secures contract to deliver JABMS to Australia. And Ukraine launches long-range balloon drones in tactical shift against Russia. An Indian delegation led by Defence Secretary Sri Giridhar Armane is on a visit to Astana, Kazakhstan from 25th to 26th April for the annual meeting of the Defence Ministers of Shanghai Cooperation Organization member states. The meeting will review the regional security issues within the SCO, including the defense cooperation initiatives. Larsen & Toubro manufactured a hydrotreating reactor weighing 1751 mt, one of the heaviest in the world. The reactor, based on technology by Axens, features CRMOV metallurgy and was built at the Hazira complex in 15 months. It employs a catalytic conversion process to remove impurities like nitrogen and sulfur from hydrocarbon streams. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has teamed up with New Space Research and Technologies to develop Alfa-S drones. These drones are compact with folding wings and can be launched from Indian Air Force aircrafts. The pods can carry 4 drones, allowing jets like the Su-30 Mki to carry multiple pods for extended range. Alfa-S drones can be used offensively or defensively, with trials for fighter jet launches expected later in 2024. Space Zone India, a Tamil Nadu-based space startup, is poised to achieve a significant milestone in Indian space technology. Headquartered in Kelambakam, Chennai, the company is pioneering the development of Rumi-1, a groundbreaking rocket aimed at revolutionizing satellite launches. The Rumi-1, designed as a demonstrator, marks a leap forward in Indian space technology. This innovative rocket, set to carry 3 CUBE satellites, incorporates a reusable mechanism, promising a cost-effective and environmentally sustainable solution to satellite launches. The hybrid propulsion system, combining solid fuel and liquid oxidizer technologies, is engineered to slash the cost associated with hybrid rocket operations while ensuring utmost safety. Indian Army is advancing towards self-reliance in defense production, focusing on ammunition with 175 variants, 134 of which are indigenously produced. The strategy has led to a 30-fold increase in defense exports, reaching Rs 21,000 crores in 23-24, with significant contributions from the private sector involvement. There are 120 projects to develop 45 niche technologies domestically, aiming to prepare Indian forces for future battlegrounds. 2024 is dedicated to sourcing all essential combat requirements domestically, including weapons, ammunition, spare parts, and maintenance. Bellatrix Aerospace and Arianespace are partnering to develop a 35 kN thrust Methalox engine for deep space exploration. The Methalox engine, using methane and liquid oxygen, offers a cleaner and more sustainable option for space missions. The engine will be a key component of Arianespace's next generation upper stage, enhancing payload delivery capabilities. The engine is also being considered for NASA's Artemis program's lunar lander, aiming to return humans to the moon by 2025. SATCOM Industry Association and Information Sharing and Analysis Center have united to establish a common platform cybersecurity standard within the space sector. This collaboration, marked by an important MOU signed in February 24, is dedicated to fortifying critical space infrastructure through innovative cybersecurity standards. The 10th round of India-Japan consultations on disarmament, non-proliferation and export control was held at Tokyo on 24th of April. The two sides exchanged views on developments in the areas of disarmament and non-proliferation relating to nuclear, chemical and biological domains, outer space security, non-proliferation issues, conventional weapons and export control. LRDE is developing X-band Radar HISAR for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance. It is an all-weather day-night microwave imaging system. It will be fitted on DRDO FTB DO-228 aircraft for the demonstration of radar functionality and electrical evaluation on airborne platform. According to Mr. Keshav Prasad, Director Collins Aerospace, the global aviation recovery has accelerated the sourcing of components from India. The company expects to grow its sourcing from supplier partners in India by around 3 times over the next 3 to 4 years. The aviation component manufacturer is enhancing its research and development as well as production facilities in India by investing $200 million. Lockheed Martin has secured a contract worth $323 million from the Australian Department of Defence to build a Joint Air Battle Management Systems, the JABMS, for the Australian Defence Force. The JABMS will be built under the second tranche of the DoD's Project Air 6500 Phase 1. Project Air 6500 Phase 1 will deliver the core architecture for the ADF's future integrated air and missile defense capability through the delivery of a command and control system that will enable forces to coordinate and synchronize air and missile defense capabilities. Lockheed Martin said that the JABMS will use next generation technologies to combat high speed threats. The company added that it has recently developed an operator evaluation system for the JABMS. From the war zone, Ukraine has deployed a new type of long-range drone, high-altitude balloons equipped to drop mortar bombs. These sophisticated yet cost-effective devices are controlled using commercially available advanced electronics, including satellite communications, enabling them to be directed with significant precision over long distances. This innovation benefits from recent software improvements and a better understanding of wind patterns, thus enhancing the strategic capabilities of the Ukraine forces. That's all the news for today. We hope you are enjoying the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and we will be glad to get a feedback from you. Thank you.